Hey YouTube, hello guys. Trust you guys are doing awesome today. All right, so I'm not gonna take much of your time. I just want to show you guys this platform on my screen right here. This platform has actually paid me $5. Okay, doing my test run on this platform, it's been so great so far, and I thought about showing you guys this platform. Okay, so this platform has paid me $5 while doing surveys in less than 1 hour. Okay, in less than an hour I smashed $5 because I was trying to test on the platform, and so far so good. They have been doing great. As you can see on my screen here, you can see lots of surveys ongoing right here. You can see $1.24, $1.38, $1.14, $1.40. You can see a whole lot of them coming in, right? And this is weekend, right? Yeah. So this platform is called Nice Survey. Nice Survey. I want you guys going on this platform here on down there, the description. I'm gonna drop my referral link. If you want to make use of my referral link for registration, then it's okay. But if you don't wanna, you can go on the platform called Nice Survey and create an account. But hey, listen, that's not all. Don't just listen to this end and then jump out. There are things you need to know about that would help you stay safe, especially those of you guys making use of proxies to create an account. Okay, the message I'm about dropping right now is for you. Okay, so now when you are creating an account, kindly do not rush creation of accounts. It is not good for your account creation. Okay, so once you make the funds, next thing you gotta do, let's say you have $5 right now. As you can see, the other tab, I already withdraw my money. And so right here, let's go to cash out. Where it says cash out, you can see right there payment history right here. Can you see the payment history right here? Down there, payment history, you see $5 PayPal, and that's it. I did my cash out withdrawal. That's it on the 18th. That was when I did my cash out withdrawal. Right, as you guys can see on the 18th of this month, that's when I did it. Right, so they actually pay through tremendous payment. So if you got PayPal, once you make your $5, you try to withdraw, you're gonna put the info, your PayPal details through tremendous. Okay, that's when you're gonna make your funds transfer into your PayPal account. So here they have lots of options to withdraw. Yeah, you can see lots of gift cards options. You can see them here: Amazon, Apple, just name it, they hold here. And also they got instant debit transfer. This is the bank transfers, right? This is where you do it. Instant debit transfer, the bank transfer. Here they got Venmo. Okay, if you are the kind of person that using Venmo, you can try them out. Here, there's PayPal. Okay, minimum withdrawal is $5. Most of them here, minimum withdrawals are $5. Except you can see the Visa or card and Amazon card saying $1. Okay, that is it, guys, about the withdrawal method. All right, it's pretty much easy. That's pretty much easy. So you can actually try them out. Okay, those guys are awesome. And I know definitely that it's gonna pay you a whole lot. So you just go on the platform Nice Surveys, create an account, and then once you're done creating the accounts, remember, while creating an account, don't rush it. Take it easy. Get a PayPal account because it's necessary you have a PayPal account actually. Yeah, so get a PayPal account. When you're about withdrawing, they're gonna tell you to put in your PayPal name. Your PayPal name, you put in your PayPal name. Make sure you put in the right name and then put in the PayPal email address. You can, for the first time, those of you guys just in PayPal account, you have to link the email address to your PayPal and then place your withdrawal so as to get an instant withdrawal without any thing that's gonna keep your payment hanging for too long. I hope you understand me. So guys, if this is the kind of videos you love, smash the like button, share to your friends, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye for now.